Single-cylinder engine. A single-cylinder engine is the simplest type of internal combustion design, using one piston moving up and down inside a cylinder. It became popular in early motorcycles and small machines because of its low cost and simple structure. It's lightweight and easy to maintain, but it produces noticeable vibration and limited power. Even today, it's widely used in small bikes, generators, and lawn equipment, where simplicity matters more than smooth performance. Inline engine. An inline engine places all its cylinders in a straight line, usually upright or slightly tilted. This layout became common in everyday cars because it is compact and easy to manufacture. Inline-4 engines are especially popular for their balance of fuel efficiency and power. Larger inline engines, like Inline-6, are smoother, but they take up more space, which limits their use in smaller modern cars. V-engine. A V-engine arranges its cylinders in two angled banks, forming a V shape. This allows more cylinders to fit into a shorter space, making it ideal for powerful vehicles. V6 and V8 engines are widely used in performance cars, trucks, and luxury vehicles. They offer a strong combination of power, smoothness, and compact design. Flat engine. A flat engine, also known as a boxer engine, places its cylinders horizontally opposite each other. This lowers the center of gravity, improving stability and handling. It's famously used by brands like Subaru and Porsche. The opposing piston movement naturally reduces vibration, creating a smoother driving experience. However, the engine is wider and can be more complex to maintain. Diesel engine. A diesel engine works by compressing air to a very high level before injecting fuel, causing it to ignite without spark plugs. It was designed for efficiency and durability, making it ideal for trucks, buses, and heavy machinery. Diesel engines produce high torque and often last longer than gasoline engines. However, they are usually heavier and louder. Hybrid engine. A hybrid engine combines a traditional engine with an electric motor. This allows the vehicle to switch between power sources or use both together. It improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, especially in city driving. Hybrid systems are now common in modern vehicles as a step toward cleaner transportation. Turbocharged engine. A turbocharged engine uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine that forces more air into the engine. This increases power without increasing engine size. It became popular as manufacturers aimed for better performance and efficiency. While powerful, it adds complexity to the engine system. Supercharged engine. A supercharged engine also forces extra air into the engine, but it is powered directly by the engine itself. This provides instant power with no delay. It's commonly used in high-performance and muscle cars. However, it slightly reduces efficiency because it consumes engine power to operate. Electric motor. An electric motor uses battery power instead of fuel to generate motion. It delivers instant torque, making acceleration smooth and quick. With fewer moving parts, it requires less maintenance. Electric motors represent the future of automotive design, focusing on sustainability and efficiency. Hydrogen fuel cell engine. A hydrogen fuel cell engine produces electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen, releasing only water as a byproduct. It offers clean energy with fast refueling compared to electric charging. However, challenges like hydrogen storage and infrastructure still limit its widespread adoption. Rotary engine. A rotary engine replaces pistons with a spinning triangular rotor inside a special chamber. Developed and refined by Mazda, this design is compact and capable of very high RPM. It delivers smooth power with fewer moving parts. However, it tends to consume more fuel and oil, which limits its widespread use.